Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. And today we are going to discuss the strategy for SBI clerk prelims plus mains. Okay, but one thing I want to tell you before discussing the strategy is that no strategy can make you clear the exam unless you work for it. Okay, because every plan needs an execution. If you don't execute your plan, then there is no benefit of it. Okay, there will be no benefit of this strategy if you don't apply it. Keep this in mind before watching many strategy. There are written in many strategies is that follow this strategy and you will clear the exam. But one thing that no one tells you is that you need to follow it. Okay, if you make a strategy and don't follow it, then there will be no benefit of that. And if you make a strategy, like if I am making a strategy and if I don't follow it and one of you who are watching follows it, and then there are 100% chances then you will clear the exam and I will not clear it. Okay, so this is the difference. So before watching this, just keep one thing in your mind is that I can change this strategy, like I can modify this strategy according to me, and I will follow the strategy religiously. Okay, I am not saying you to follow this strategy only, but if you have made your mind to follow this, then follow this completely. Okay, and if you are following any other strategy also, then it is also fine. But please, I request you, if you are selecting a strategy, then please follow it, then you will clear the exam for sure. Okay, if you have made a plan for yourself, then you need to execute it. Now we are going to discuss the strategy. I will tell you strategy for prelims and mains, for beginners and for already preparing both. Okay, first we will discuss about the time. So for prelims, as they say that prelims is in June, so we have like 45 to 50 days if the prelims is between 15 to 20 June. Okay, and for mains, as mains is on 31st July, so we have 90 days for mains, like May, June and July. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that mains is the real exam which you need to clear. Prelims is important, but you only have to clear prelims. But for getting selection, you need to get good marks in mains. Okay, prelims is also very important because as this time the vacancies are very less, then there may be a certainty that there will be more competition in prelims. So first I will discuss about beginners. So for beginners, what they need to do, as you have 50 days to prepare for prelims. Okay, and I am thinking that you have not, like you have just started your preparation. So first what you need to do, you need to clear your basics. Okay, so for reasoning, we will start from reasoning. So in reasoning, what you need to do, write down names of all the chapters in one single sheet of paper. Like one is direction sense, second is blood relation. Okay, write down all the names of the chapters on one page and then clear them one by one. Like watch 3 to 4 videos of direction sense, and I will tell you about the sources also. Okay, but first I am telling you what you need to do. Just watch 3 to 4 videos of direction sense on one day. Okay, then practice 50 questions of direction sense the same day. Like in morning you have watched the videos, then in evening you have to practice 50 questions. Then next is blood relation, you have to do the same for blood relation also. Then alphanumeric series. Okay, then I will say next chapter is like syllogism. Okay, inequality. So watch videos and then solve 50 questions in one go. Okay, in one sitting, solve 50 questions. Then what you need to do daily, just keep solving five questions of all topics daily. Okay, this will be your daily schedule for reasoning and for puzzles. From today onwards, start following 1000 puzzle series. I take this name again and again because it is very useful. Okay, this is on Unacademy by Ankush Lamba sir, and these videos are like very niche, so you have to scroll down a lot to find this 1000 puzzle series in Ankush Lamba sir's profile. So this is, just watch 3 videos daily and then practice again from these videos only. Okay, for improving your puzzles. Now we will discuss about English. This is the portion for already preparing. First we are discussing beginners. So for English, what you need to do, first clear basics of chapters. Okay, like noun, pronoun, clear basics of these chapters. And then second is watch 120 rules video on YouTube. These videos are of Nimisha ma'am. Okay, first clear your basics of noun and pronoun from YouTube. You can follow any YouTube channel and clear your basics of English basic chapters. Then follow this 120 rules videos, or you can prefer the PDF also. You can find this PDF easily in Telegram. It will take around 10 to 15 days. Okay, it will take, like, you need 10 to 15 days to clear your chapters. Then keep revising 120 rules and then start reading. Okay, it will take around 20 days to reach to reading, and then start reading. For reading, what you have to do, just select one paragraph. You don't need to read so many paragraphs. Just select one paragraph and read it 2 to 3 times. I have discussed it in detail. I will give you link of that video if you want. Okay, just read that 2 to 3 times again and again, and note down 5 vocab from that, and then revise it. Then what you can do, you can revise all the weekly vocab on Sundays. Okay, so that's all for reads English. You just have to do reading and try to understand the subject verb agreement given in the editorial part. Then we will discuss about maths. For maths, what you need to do, first learn the basic things, like for 2 days learn square till 50, cube till 20, and some basic tricks of multiplication, addition. Okay, just learn some tricks. Then for 1 week, I'm giving you 1 week for learning simplification, approximation, and number series. What you need to do, watch 10 to 15 videos of all these topics and practice 100 questions of each chapter, like simplification 100 question, approximation 100 question. Okay, do this for 1 week. Then what you need to do, practice 10 question of these topics daily. Then next section is arithmetic. Clear basics of arithmetic, and you can go to Amar sir or Ashish sir. Okay, for clear your basics. If you have Plus subscription, then you can blindly follow Ashish sir on Unacademy, because the approach there, his approach is very good. So you can follow him blindly. If you don't have any paid subscription, you can follow Amar sir on YouTube. Okay, then one day watch basics, then next day practice questions. And for practice, I will suggest you Ace book by Adda. Okay, this is what you have to do for maths. Then for data interpretation, You have to do these two things simultaneously. Okay, so for data interpretation, for prelims level data interpretation, watch 10 to 15 videos and learn chapters like ratio, proportion, average. Okay, first cover these topics in arithmetic, then watch 10 to 15 videos of prelims level data interpretation, then you have to solve 5 data interpretation of prelims level daily. Okay, and after completing 50% of arithmetic chapter, start adding one mains DI daily in your to-do list. Okay, just start adding one mains DI daily. So then what will be your daily schedule for maths? You will do 10 question of simplification, approximation, number series first, then you will learn one arithmetic chapter. Okay, then third is 5 pre-DI plus 1 mains DI. Okay, this is for before prelims. And after prelims, what you can do, just increase this mains DI number. After completing your syllabus, increase this mains DI number to 2 or 3 DIs daily. Okay, this is for maths. Then I will discuss current affairs, banking awareness. Okay, and one more thing, I will discuss about logical reasoning also. Just wait. For current affairs, you can follow Affairs Cloud. Recently their app is under maintenance, but you can follow their website for daily updates. Okay, so you can follow Affairs Cloud. With Affairs Cloud, you have to follow one video source. For video source, I will suggest you follow Affairs Cloud video source, otherwise Adda video source. Okay, you can go for GK today also. I have made a detailed strategy on how to prepare current affairs. I will give you link of that video also. Okay, first revise affairs. Read daily current affairs. Like if you are starting from 1 May, for May, June, July, you have to follow current affairs daily. For current affair of Feb, March and April, what you need to do, start revising weekly current affairs. Like start from April, revise its weekly current affairs, then switch to March, revise it weekly current affairs daily, then from Feb. Okay, then in this way you can revise weekly current affairs, like whole current affairs of one month in 1 week. Fine. Then for banking awareness, you can follow Kapil Katpal sir YouTube video. Otherwise, you can also follow Anil Agarwal sir videos. Okay, so that's all for banking awareness. Now I will discuss about logical reasoning. So for logical reasoning, you can go for Smart Kida playlist on YouTube. Okay, they have made a playlist for logical reasoning, so you can follow that. And they have, they have explained it in a very detailed manner. So that's all for beginners. Okay, now I will discuss for already preparing candidates. So for already preparing candidates, what you need to do is, first, I think that you are able to clear the prelims. Okay, like you have studied enough to clear the prelims. So what you need to do, give one prelims mock daily. Okay, and for prelims mock, I will suggest you to go for the hard mocks, because this time the vacancies are very less and there are high number of chance that the level of the paper will be high. So we need to prepare ourselves before the exam, not in the exam. Otherwise we will panic in the exam. So for mocks, I will suggest you Olive Board, because they keep the level of their mocks a bit high and it prepares you for the worst scenario. Like if the paper comes tough, then they prepare you for that situation. Okay, so just do experiments in their preparation. Don't do any experiment in the exam hall. Okay, I will give you link of Olive Board mock series also in description. Fine. Then for mains, what you need to do, you don't need to practice prelims level questions. Otherwise, what you can do is give mocks on alternate days. Like today you have given mock, Then tomorrow just practice prelims level questions. Okay, then next day you can give mock, so that you can do. For mains I will tell you the daily schedule first. Okay, first is reading plus revise grammar rules. This is for English. Okay, just keep reading and revising grammar rules. Second is maths. Practice 10 to 20 mixed question of arithmetic. I am hoping that you have covered arithmetic and you have covered the grammar rules basics. Okay, so just practice 10 to 20 mixed question of arithmetic. Then practice 5 mains DI daily. Okay, and keep revising the cubes and squares daily. Revise the cubes and squares. One thing more is 10 question of simplification, arithmetic and number series. This should be your daily to-do list for maths. 10 to 20 mixed questions of arithmetic, 5 mains DI, 10 questions of simplification, simplification, approximation and revise cube squares daily. For English, do reading daily plus revise your grammar notes. Then third is reasoning. 10 question of miscellaneous chapter daily. Okay, then 3 videos of 1000 puzzle. Watch 3 videos of 1000 puzzle daily and then practice 10 questions of miscellaneous chapters. For miscellaneous chapter I am saying that coded blood relation, coded direction, these chapters. Okay, and logical reasoning. Then what you can do, add 1 mains puzzle. Sitting arrangement daily, and if you have left time then you can do 2 puzzles also. Okay, so that's all for reasoning. Now what we have left, we have left current affairs. Cover current affairs daily. Like if you are starting, then I am hoping that if you are already preparing, then you are covering current affairs daily. So keep covering the current affairs daily. Okay, and then start revising weekly current affairs of previous months. That's all for already preparing. For banking awareness and logical reasoning, you can cover them on weekly basis, like on Sundays. Okay, and what you can also do is, if you have any paid subscription, and in that paid subscription videos of last year SBI clerk mains are available, like in Unacademy. Previous year videos are available for SBI clerk mains for maths and reasoning, so you can watch those videos also. It will help you a lot. And you are giving 1 prelims mock daily, like, and otherwise on alternate days. And what you need to do, you will revise your weekly current affairs on Sunday, and on Sunday give 1 mains mock. For practice material, you can go for Telegram groups. Okay, you will find a lot of practice material. And here for beginners, for reasoning, for clear your concepts of reasoning, you can go for Bankers Point YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is of Anshul Saini sir, and he just teaches in a very good manner. So you can go for Anshul Saini sir for clearing your reasoning basics. Okay, for mains level reasoning, you can follow Ankush Lamba sir. His videos are very useful. If you don't have any paid subscription, you can use his YouTube channel and then practice from mains mock. You will find a huge number of practice material for prelims on Telegram channels, and for mains practice material just go for mocks. And for mocks I have suggested you Olive Board, because they prepare you for the worst situation. So I will suggest you that only, because in this time we can't predict, as the vacancies are very less, so we can't say anything about the level of exam, and competition will be like cutthroat competition will be there in prelims and mains also. So I am just suggesting you to prepare for the bad situation. Okay, just think that exam will be very tough, So just prepare and focus on attempting 100 questions in pre. Okay, just focus on this and focus on taking maximum marks in prelims and then in mains only also. Okay, so that was all for the strategy of prelims and mains. For beginners, after for beginners mocks, you can start giving mocks after completing 50% of your syllabus. So that's all for the strategy. And one thing is that just execute this. If you don't follow any strategy, then there is no meaning of watching it. I am not saying to follow this strategy. You can follow anyone's strategy and you can make your own strategy also, but just follow it. Okay, I am requesting you, if you have selected any strategy, then just follow it properly. Okay, and you will get success, because consistency is the big hurdle. Okay, and consistency is the main key in one's selection. So just be consistent and follow any one strategy religiously, and you will see yourself clearing the exam after 4 months. Okay, so that's all for the video. I hope you all could understand the strategy what I have told you. As I also, as one more thing is that I also upload daily schedule for prelims plus mains on this YouTube channel. So you can follow that to-do list also, because I am also preparing for this exam and I am following prelims plus mains plan. So you can follow my daily schedule video also. Okay. So I just hope that you clear the exam, and I just hope that you all are fine and doing good. Just take care of your health also, because this time our health should be our first priority. And I have discussed the strategy. If you are not able to study these days, then there is no need to worry. Just take rest and first be completely fine. Okay, that's all for the strategy. I will give you link of everything, like for beginners strategy, for detailed English and current affairs strategy, in the description column, and olive board mocks also, link of olive board mocks also in description. So I hope and I wish you all the best. Thank you and God bless you.